Hi, my name's Kara Marks and I live in Rosemont, Minnesota. I am married to my husband of 20 years. We've lived in this house for almost 16. 4 kids, active in everything from sports to arts to high school programs and time with friends. So as we looked at our driveway, we realized that it had settled about 3 inches from where the top of the garage. And as we looked closer, we saw that the garage floor was actually beginning to become damaged because the ice and the salt and the water would get in there and freeze and create cracks that we didn't want. So we knew we needed to get it repaired. I would say the level of customer service from the minute I got the quote through the end of the billing process was seamless. High level of customer service, high level of communication. I knew what to expect through every step of the process. They were clear when they came by, how much time it would expect, when they would break, what would be done, and what I needed to do following to make sure that I got the maximum benefit out of the repair. It's fantastic. I mean, it's taken a little bit getting used to driving over because now there is no bump, so we have to be very cognizant about how we're parking our cars in the garage. From a safety standpoint, I don't have to worry about, my mother or my, great aunts or my grandmother getting in and out of the garage as they're coming into our house. Like, there's no longer a tripping hazard that was once there. I don't worry so much in the winter that I'm going to have cracks or any damage coming into the garage from that gap of the settlement. It seems odd to be so happy about a driveway repair, but we are. We're really excited that it truthfully has, I say, increased the value of our home just based on the curb appeal.